Afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moy Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for December 9th, going into the 10th. Okay, starting off with the S&P 500 index, we've been bullish overall from 3502. We've seen 3,451.75 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Those are all on hold. And the trade below 6870.75, I said warns of pressure. That was the break below this line, although I did not suggest getting short below it. It fell just below the standards I would use to make a suggestion against. Nonetheless, if we break back above that line decently, that's going to warrant a renewed strength again. That's going to come in at 68.8624 plus 0.52 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. However, we do fail below this formation, that'll warrant a decent pressure. That's going to come in at 68.4708 minus 10 per hour or 0.10 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If we further break below this formation, which is going to come in at 67.8366 minus 25 per hour or a quarter point per hour, we break below there decently, and which is also going to be where this 67.91 and a quarter area comes in. If we break below those decently, that'll warrant a decent pressure and a possible run back down here to the 65.50 level in the days ahead. And the gold tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. I'm chopping around here a bit in the gold. The trade above, I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff, but the trade above 39.7320 has brought in 326.4 of strength. And the trade back above 40.7010 has brought in 229.5 of strength. Trade above 41.7380 has brought in 125.8 of strength. And then on 11.5, we also left a medium bullish reversal above. And then this morning, the trade back above 42.1680. I said now warns of renewed strength, and we've seen strength up to 42.5170. Further break above this line right here, which is going to come in at 42.4620. Plus 4 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll warrant decent strength. The maintain gap low in here will leave a medium bearish reversal above that would warrant a pressure for days/weeks. Okay, in the Bitcoin, we finally had a breakout to the upside in here. We've been bullish overall from 16,275. We've seen 110,965 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Those are all now off hold. We then got bearish from 124,228. You saw 43,748 to the downside, and another bearish call here. Those are on hold. And we had some other bearish calls in here as well. This call, the trade below 97,925, projects us down with 37,000 plus. We've seen 17,175 of that before being put on hold. Then on December 2nd, we left a minor bullish reversal below. We've rallied 5,403 from the 89.35 open. I warned the settlement above 91,225 would likely precipitate a decent break, which it did. We were looking for 4,000 minimum, 13,500 plus maximum. We've seen 3,215 from that so far. And now this break above this formation right here at 91,590 minus 33 per hour now warrants a decent pressure, decent strength for 2,500 minimum, and with a maximum of 21,000 plus. There's also a well-formed formation. If we were to fail back down through that decently, that's going to warrant decent pressure. That's going to come in at 91,319 minus 33 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Further break above this formation will warrant a decent strength. That's going to come in at 94,103 minus 6 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. And a break above this formation which is going to come in at 100, 511 plus 6 per hour starting at 6 o'clock. That'll negate that further negate the formation that is now on hold that projected this downward 37,000 plus. Will further negate that and warn of continued strength likely for days/weeks. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.